Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, today is my 2024 Christmas home tour. Let's talk because there is no talking in my video. It's all set to music. Let's talk about this Christmas home tour for just a moment before we get into it. And I have to give myself a big pat on the back. As I watched my home tour, I kind of thought, I could have done this, I could have done that. I wanted to do this, I wanted to do that. And circumstances got in my way this year. They just did. Life gets busy and we have all these ideas of things we want to do and they go on the back burner. We moved here and in a very short amount of time, I basically made this house look like we've been here at least a year, at least. And curtains, furniture placed, decor placed in almost all the rooms. And so to do that, then get COVID, a bad case of it, weather setting in, bad knees. I have to say I'm proud of what I accomplished. Even when you guys are doing your homes for Christmas and say you've got company coming or friends stopping by, and you stand back and look at things you've done and go, I wish I could fix that. Or I wish I could do this or do that, but time doesn't permit. Don't be hard on yourself. You did what you could and you made a festive space. So that's what I want to say about that. You see, there were things I didn't get to do downstairs. Artwork I was unable to hang. So when I did my home tour, I'm like, I don't even want to post that. It looks incomplete, especially if you're a maximalist. You'll see as you go through the tour. And here's another thing that happened. Front door garland, when I went out to take the picture, my command hooks fell out and so it's all cockeyed. And I didn't have time to fix it, so I filmed it as is. It is what it is, real life. So feel free to watch what you like. If you're bored and it's a snooze fest, just skip ahead. Before I go, I just want to say that I appreciate each and every one of you. All my old subscribers, all my in-between subscribers, and all my new subscribers. I truly appreciate you guys taking the time to stop by, hang out with me, and see what little old me is up to. Would you guys like to see a haul for what is coming in 2025? And as I mentioned on last Friday's video, typically after Christmas, it all gets boxed up. After Christmas, we're driving up to Pittsburgh and we are moving out of our loft apartment. And that's gonna be a whole couple days. We have movers booked. We're gonna go from Pittsburgh to our other house. We're gonna do a drop. Then we're going to assess the situation and decide what furniture pieces we wanna bring here, which I'm excited about. They're driving our stuff here to Virginia. So after Christmas, it's go time. In fact, Christmas night, I will probably be taking all of this down, boxing it up because I've got to get ready for the movers showing up to bring in the new stuff. I'm working hard to piece a look together that I'm excited about, and I really feel like I'm very excited about what's to come. I think that's what Friday's video is going to be because let's be honest, the house is decorated. I don't have anything really to decorate. All right, let's get into the tour.
cared much for winter. Ice and snow leaves me totally cold, but something's up each year in December. I love it like a miner loves gold. It's never about the presents, the turkey or the Christmas tree. It's all about that glow in my baby's eyes that lights a fire inside of me. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Just listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Oh, the deeds that I do to please her, ain't a thing that I wouldn't do. I give my babe whatever she wants. I catch a reindeer if she wants me to. My baby's got a thing for Santa. She blushes and she giggles whenever he's near. I grow myself a beard in time for Christmas. I keep it throughout the year. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Crazy about Christmas. I must admit it's starting to grow on me too. Baby's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy about Christmas. She's crazy this Christmas. She whispers in my ear, hey Santa, come here. Please make my wish come true.
friends, that wraps up my video for today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys back here Friday. Mwah! Bye! Merry Christmas!